to the world-famous Freedom Factory. In just a few minutes, the area around you will come alive with the sensational sights and sounds of the Bradenton Holiday Lights Festival. Join us and sing along as sparkling lights dance to some of your favorite holiday tunes. Due to lower light levels during the show, please watch your step and take small children by the hand. If you're driving your vehicle through the show, be sure to remain in your vehicle at all times and keep the flow of traffic moving. Get ready. You're about to be surrounded by a miracle.
That's a weird word to use. So we go through the light tunnel. That's cool. You have your video on?
This one?
Okay.
They got all the cars they use in the racing lit up. That's cute.
Cool. Very cool.
That's neat looking. Tree. Cletus the elf. Funny.
I didn't hear what you said.
It was a cutout of Cletus dressed up as an elf holding a
I
turbocharger.
didn't see it. Whoa.
Oh, we're actually on the racetrack. That's cool.
Yeah. So there's
On the banked track.
a ring and a little train.
Cute.
Yeah, stuff in there.
Yeah,
Over there.
all kinds of stuff for kids.
No, I don't want to do that. Look at
Ha,
that. Minions. Christmas.
sort of. Something like that.
This is pretty.
Yeah, looks like a teapot or something.
Yeah, sort of.
That's funny.
time of
Car on
year.
top of a car.
Well, now
Yeah, that's
is the
funny.
time to open your heart and believe in that magic. Christmas is my favorite time of year. The smells,
That's cool. That
the
one's lit up like the
sights,
American
and
flag.
the
Yeah, I
sounds.
saw that.
There really is nothing like it.
I like the purple convertible.
Yeah, that's nice.
Looks like a Mustang.
You know, there are miracles all around us,
Nice ice cream truck.
just waiting to capture your imagination.
Oh, a boat.
All you
It's one of
have
the
to
jet
do
boats.
Yeah.
is believe.
When we finally kiss goodnight,
Oh, a little helicopter. Santa in the
I
helicopter.
hate going out in
There you go,
that
bud.
storm.
That's cute.
But if you really hold me tight, all
lit up
the way
right there.
home I'll be
Not that one.
warm.
Some of the lights go off and then they come back on.
Oh, I think it's just that we were around in the corner and it was obscured a little bit.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought me some corn for popping. Lights are turned way down
Please,
low.
Mark, come inside to enjoy the
Let
Christmas
it snow,
village.
let it snow, let it snow.
You just want to head back to
When we
Sarah's?
finally kiss
You don't want to look and see if we can get some swag? Cletus swag?
Sure, we can try.
We don't have to, you don't want to.
Might as well, we're here.
All the way home I'll be warm.
Oh, we're supposed to park.
We could always look in their online shop for swag if we wanted.
Do you think that
And we could get it shipped.
instead of getting it here?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll keep going then. This exit is this way.
If we want to go out, we just go this way, or? Okay. Thank you. That was okay. I don't know if it was worth $20.
No, but it wasn't as nice as the one in Kentucky that we went to.
I agree.
And there was a lot of repetitions of the stuff that I saw here.
Yeah.